Oh, that is dusty. A little bit of a cloudy day here at the ranch, but I'm eager to get back onto the new rock pile setup I've done. Check it out, I've moved around a lot of this stuff and I thought might as well go out with one of my more vintage vehicles now, something with a ridiculously small body, not meant for this at all. Oversized tires. I like being silly sometimes with my RCs, that's the whole point for me. This machine is an AXiAL XR10, a motor on axle specific competition rock crawling machine. You'll see each axle has a motor and transmission directed or directly mounted right on it. Got a pretty nice strong servo up front there. I don't have a waterproof setup for this rig as it's specifically made for rock crawling. Now these 2.2 size tires are from IMEX, they're red rocks, mounted up on some Vanquish rims. Each motor is independently controlled by my radio, which means I can freewheel this one and lock this one up, or vice versa, and you'll see some different advantages of why I do that today. Let's start her up. Now this first incline, every scale truck I've used so far has failed, but this machine is very much like a spider. Look at that, straight up, and then I kind of have to hop at the top. Let's see this from a different angle. I'll do it again so you can really have a good look at how it operates. Very insect-like. These knobby tires are kind of failing me right here. Instead of sticking to the rock, they're just kind of, as you can see, pushing around. One-handed driving as well. No excuses, come on. Look at this. Incredibly stable vehicle because of the wide footprint. Poor tire choice for me to do this though, but there we go, up and around. Trying to do a bit of a switchback. Go underneath the tunnel. I'm just trying to figure out new lines for like competitions when I have them out here. Here's a good chance for me to lock up the back, pull it around, and up we go. Love that kind of control. So nice and smooth through the ravine. Yes, I was wondering about that hole. There we go. Hook up on the front. Very nice. Another nice descent, controlled. Bad dismount. Wiggle my way out of there, keep going. Okay, and here's the introduction of the switchback now, where it comes down I could still go off this way and up to the new section, or continue around to the switchback here. I'm gonna lock up my backs. There we go. Now I'm gonna dig in here. No, oh no! Doomed. Okay, repo. Failed on my own switchback. It's all right though, everybody has to learn. That's why I'm out here doing this, for fun. Really wide tire selection here. Get it across quickly. Oh, fail so quickly afterwards. Oh no, no, same thing. Oh, finally made it. Good articulation there. Glad that happened. If it wasn't for the articulation of the suspension, I definitely would have failed right there. Okay, so I still need to reposition here. Again, big tires, smaller obstacle. Not always amazing to have bigger tires. Oh, failing. That's fine, I just want to reposition myself. Oh, yes. Oh, and I stalled. Gotta change that setting on my sound card for the idle. Okay, so it's really too skinny at the bottom, but getting wider at the top. That's what she said. There we go. Oh, the one tire hang. Basically 3 tires are pulling. And we survived. Nice. Okay, now I'll lock up the backs, pull my front around. Ah, I hate using backup. Going the long way. Loving the new area. Easier to film up here as well. Get in some really good shots, hopefully. I'm gonna take some practice on that too. Oh, the writing was on the rocks. There we go. Nice job, nice job. Awesome crawl. Just got to get out of the hole I fell in. Wow, that's a unique spot to be in. Look at that, how the tire's being held. This back tire over here, just being hugged. Okay, so great opportunity. Let's see here if I can back up. Nope, not gonna work very well. Still gonna use my dig to see if I can dig myself out of this. Careful not to hurt my CVDs. Ah, stall. Just gotta get that back tire to hop out. Gonna try to wiggle my way out of here. Nope. This is gonna be creative. Sweet, good driving, getting out of there. Okay, so running the front diff housing down the helper rock to get out of here. And down to the ground. Successful rock crawl. Sweet. There you go, guys, my XR10. Welcome back to the rock pile. Glad to be out. Gonna do some maintenance, oil up these old motors, Do, you know, the regular stuff I do to my crawlers every season. Get in there, oil up the bearings, check everything out. Maybe put in some new springs. Who knows? That's why the hobby's awesome. There's never an end to it, guys. Go outside and enjoy the hobby of RC, and we'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures.